Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Orion Protocol. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything you do is on you, so you should do your proper research before investing into crypto. So I do want to apologize. I haven't been uploading for the past 4 to 5 days. I've been really busy. I've been traveling to the Czech Republic, actually, and now I'm back home. So I do apologize. Daily videos are going to be coming back to the channel, and we're going to be doing 2, 3, sometimes 4 videos a day. So thank you for all the support, guys. And let's get into the charts. Jumping straight into the daily chart. By the way, I do want to make this a quick update. I'm not going to go into details very much in this video. So we do have our two Fibonacci retracements, one from the all-time high to the bottom here on July 19th, and the other one is from this bottom of July 19th to this swing high that we had August 11th, I believe. And yeah, so taking a look at this larger fib. So as you can see, we have come up to the golden ratio, to the 0.618 on the larger fib, and that is where we got rejected. Okay, so that was kind of expected. And I actually do have a price tag over there. So I always say that the 0.618 is the golden ratio. It is the most important fib level out of all. So what have we done here is we came up, came back down, we went up, and now we hit our head on the golden ratio. So there are two scenarios over here. One, we got rejected and we're going back down to make our lower low, which would be which would play intact with all the bear market hopium that we're getting right now. The other thing that can happen is we had this peak over here at $30. Now we're coming back down, went up, hit our head on the golden ratio, went back down, found a level of support, rebounced, and then had that next impulsive wave to break the previous all-time high, and then potentially take out this 1.272 on the fib. So that's something that I'm looking at as well. We do need to find a level of support, guys. It's all about support. Orion isn't doing very well right now on the daily chart. I'm going to show you why. Though we are targeting the 1.618 on the fib by the end of the bull market, that is $110 basically, and that's what we're looking at. Now, if we try to zoom in, and this is the log scale, by the way. So if we try to zoom in a bit, you can see that we are below the daily 55 EMA, and we're constantly hitting our head on it. We're hitting our head on the 55 EMA, and we're getting suppressed down by it. So we're just going to keep bouncing off the 55 EMA, and it's going to push us down. We haven't had a touch of the 20 EMA in 1, 2, 3 days right now. So you may see a little relief rally to the 20 EMA, which is sitting at the 0.786 on the smaller fib. And that is something that you can be looking at. So maybe a little bounce off of $9, and then we get rejected back down. So that may be one of your sell orders if you're planning to take profits rather soon. Moving up, I do expect Bitcoin to come back down to $35,000 to $37,000 because it is in a falling wedge right now. So that would perfectly align with the apex of that wedge. And we do have a technical target from the head and shoulders pattern. So still, we are bearish short term on Bitcoin, but that's good for all of our altcoins because this means that we can pick up our altcoins at a discount. Bringing up the RSI. So the daily RSI is what you have to keep looking at. So you do have this support line over here on this support trend line. Every time you bounce off of this trend line, you have a move towards the upside. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, we are forming some sort of falling wedge over here on the RSI. So once you come to the apex, you may break up, break out to the upside, or break out to the downside. So two plays, obviously. But obviously, I think we're going to break up because in October, I am expecting a huge move for cryptocurrencies in general. And I think Bitcoin will obviously lead the charge. But as you can see, we had this little fake out from the trend line and we went up just a bit, but then we broke down into the pattern. So you do have bounces from this resistance line above 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces. So the RSI index is getting tighter and tighter, and we are expecting a break. So once you see a little touch of this resistance, you may want to put some Orion tokens on a sell order, but I'm not guaranteeing that if you sell, we won't go even higher and we won't break this resistance. But it obviously all depends on Bitcoin. We may get some news for Orion Protocol regarding Coinbase if we haven't already, because I've been out of the news cycle for the past like a couple of days. So it's if I missed out on any Orion news, do let me know in the comments below and join the Discord and the Telegram chat to share the news with the group, guys. Both great chats to be a part of. Now, if Bitcoin was to come back down, I am expecting Orion Protocol to come back below the 0.618 and into the 0.5. So this is $6.45 all the way to $7.41. So this range over here would be your great buying opportunity, because you can see that you even wicked down to this area. So if Bitcoin has a little flash crash to $37,000, this would be your best kind of your demand zone pretty much. But if we go even lower into that and we drop to the 0.236, obviously, just dollar cost average, don't put in all of your money at these ranges over here. Always expect a price drop, because you can never catch the exact bottom. I'm just giving you some options. And yeah, it does seem like we're going to form the bearish cross on the daily chart with the 20 EMA crossing below the 55 EMA over here. And that would be a bearish signal, but that is just a signal. And the price action is king, obviously, but this would just mean that we would get suppressed by the 20 EMA, and this wouldn't be very nice, is all I'm saying. So what we can see is right when you get the 20 EMA as close as possible to the 55 EMA, you have that squeeze, the EMA bounces off the 55 EMA, and that's when we get the party started. But we just want to see that last flash crash on Bitcoin. We want to shake out the last weak hands for that proper move to 107K by the end of December. Hopefully that's what's on the cards. Hopefully that's how it's going to play out. The most important level, obviously, over here, just like I said, the golden ratio, $13.46. Once you break that retest as support, it's looking great. You're looking to take out $19 to $20, which will have a lot of resistance as well. But that's just what I see on the charts, guys. So we're losing support of the EMAs, obviously, but you're looking to find support on the fib levels, and these are the ones that I just showed you. And on the larger fib, you're losing the 0.382, which is kind of bearish, but it means it will act as a resistance once we start coming back to it. But now we're hitting our head on it as well on the lower time frames. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Orion Protocol. Not too in depth. I do apologize. I just want to start off this this video marathon that I'm going to just by starting off a bit easy, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know if you are involved in Orion Protocol. Let me know if I missed out any Orion news. I'm going to be back in action. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to check out the Telegram chat and the Discord server. And if you feel like supporting the channel, there's a wallet ID for a TRC20 USDT wallet in the description as well. Don't feel like you have to, but if you would, that would be very much appreciated. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.